Good morning, everyone. My name is Jason from AGG Power Middle East and Africa Group. Now, today I'm standing in our AGG factory and have invite our plant manager, Mr. King, to make an introduction of our factory. So let's welcome Mr. Huang.
Okay, everyone. My name is King Huang. I'm the plant manager of AGG Power Factory. I'm glad to join today's webcast and introduce you our company. I would like to thank you all for your time and your interest to our company and the products.
Okay, now let's go have a look. Okay, Mr. Huang, could you please give us a brief introduction of AGG Power history and this factory?
We have more than 10 years experiences in the generating set industry, and we started our own R&D and production in 2013. The building you see here complete in November last year. Its total space is about 60,000 square meters. We got the land approved in 2017, but we wanted to build a high quality standard modern factory at the very beginning. So we visited quite a few branded companies and tried to learn from them. We also hired professional consultants to help us design the layout, production flow, and automatic assembly lines. We have done lots of pre-work before building this factory.
Mr. Huang, what is the philosophy of building this factory?
Well, I would say the safety work environment and high quality, on-time delivery, and high efficiency is our goal. And we encourage our people bring creative ideas and embrace the change. Then trust our team members, work collectively together, and better serve our customer needs. I think this is our philosophy, also our company core value as well.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Huang, how many divisions working here to support our production?
Well, we have 5 departments in here now: engineering, quality, production, logistics, and purchasing. Nearly 200 employees and 150 shop floor workers and 20 engineers and other supporting staff.
Okay, Mr. Huang, could you please let me know how many production lines here and what is the yearly production capacity?
We total have 4 assembly lines, and we can produce from 10 kVA up to 4,000 kVA power range generating set. The design capacity is about 20,000 units per year. And of course, well, if we have demand, we can run more.
Okay, so I found the assembly in line. So could you please let me know what is the circle production capacity of this line?
Now the assembly line, the cycle time is 18 minutes.
18 minutes?
Yeah, that means every 18 minutes we have one generating set complete assembly.
Oh, that is high efficiency.
Yep.
Okay, Mr. Huang, you just told me the yearly production capacity is 20,000 units per year. And I think for our partners, they are more concerned about the quality. So could you please let me know how we make the quality control?
Okay, there are several key control points, including incoming material inspection, process quality control, and final inspection, also the outgoing quality control. We call these control points as the quality gates. We have a dedicated quality team working as the gatekeeper to make sure each gates are meeting our quality standard. So here I would like to explain more about the quality gates. At the incoming inspection gate, all the incoming raw material will be checked based on our quality standard before put into production, such as the parts function and the dimension, visual quality check, etc. Then at the process gate, every single generator set will be run a 110% loading tests in our tester room to make sure they are performing well. At final inspection gate, we do 100% final inspection before they ship to our customers. At our outgoing quality checking gate, we double check the packing list and packing condition to make sure our parts are right and our goods are safe during the transportation. Also, our operators are required to pass the on-the-job training system to make sure they have the right skills and the knowledge to do their job, especially for the safety and the quality. More to that, as you can see, we have the Andem system installed on each assembly line that allows us operator to expose the quality issue at any time. When operator find a quality issue, they can report it by simply push the Andem button. Then our quality and the engineer team will quick response to this issue and solve them at each workstation. So by this comprehensive quality control system, we are able to maintain our product quality at a high level.
Okay, Mr. King, I think here is for the engine stock, right?
Yeah, this is the engine warehouse. We usually stock about 1,000 unit engines at stock. So there are many from Europe and America, such as the Perkins, Cummins, and Scania. This here is just a part of our stock. We have a bounded warehouse outside the factory.
Yeah, it's because some of imported engine we stock in refrigeration warehouse.
Right. The reason we stock so many engines because the lead time to purchase this engine is very long. If we don't stock these engines ahead, it will take much longer for our customer to get the products after they place the order. So, of course, this requires lots of dollars investment, but it does help to reduce the delivery lead time for our customer. So, we believe this is the right thing to do.
Okay, Mr. Kim, how many testing rooms located in this factory?
We have 4 testing rooms in total, and they can be applied for both high voltage and low voltage generating sets. Our AGG generating sets are required to run a 110% loading test for 30 minutes and monitor the temperature, lowering speed, electric current, voltage, etc. This is the monitor for performance testing. All the data will be displayed on the screen when doing the testing. We want to make sure every single generator set we deliver to our customer are good. We have the responsibility to provide great products and support for them. So this is why we have set up such strict testing conditions for our products.
Okay, now we finish AGG Power Factory tour, and thank you, Mr. King.
Yeah, I would like to thank you again for your time, and I hope our plant introduction will help you understand more about AGG. And we are inviting you to visit us and do business with us. Thank you.
Okay, let's go together and go great together.